The second part of the policy, which is also called coverage B, is other structures. Now, we talked about some examples of other structures that are covered as part of the dwelling. Well, this coverage is what comes into play when you have something on your property that's not directly attached to the dwelling. For example, a shed or a workshop or a swing set or a fence, which tends to be a common source of frustration during a hurricane or some other type of loss.
Fence goes fast. The other thing you need to look at now, companies have all tightened and they're providing a little less coverage. And so it used to be that you got whatever the house amount was. So if you had a $100,000 house, you got $10,000 automatically for your content. Some people will complain and say, hey, I don't have anything. Some people didn't even think about it. But you got to keep in mind, they're no longer giving 10% all the time. Sometimes you're only giving 2%. So if you had a $100,000 house and you have a $3,000 fence, you only have $2,000 of coverage. So you might want to look at those items and make sure there is enough coverage. You know, you hate to lose your fence because, again, after a hurricane, it's going to be more expensive than before the hurricane.
Absolutely.
The other thing is pools are considered other structures. And people say, well, you know, what's going to happen to my pool? It's concrete. Well, here's something that happens. Those shingles blow off the roof, they fall in your pool, the wind blows the water, and you end up with big tar marks on the bottom of your pool, and now you need to get your pool refinished. So you really want to check that as well.
Well, and insurance isn't all about buildings.
Again, give your agent a call, review your policy, and if you'd like a second opinion, give us a call at the Insurance Center of Central Florida. Our number is below.